Hey buddies, welcome back to my channel, and today we're gonna do an oil catch can installation on this Tacoma. It's a AWW, no, it's a ADD W1 oil catch can. There it is. Yeah, that is what the package looks like. We're gonna unbox it in a minute. That is what it says. Yeah, we're gonna install it here because the oil catch can, like the normal recirculation system from the crankcase, goes straight into the intake, and you get all your fumes and oil gases and whatnot, all when the engine basically heats up, going back into the engine. And with the oil catch can, you're gonna separate the oil residue and all that stuff from the clean air, and that actually makes your engine last longer, and you probably get a better gas mileage as well. Anyways, I would say we're gonna unbox that. We take a look at the car, and then we're gonna install it. Okay, so we're gonna install the oil catch can, and we're gonna install it right here. Here's a bolt at the top of the radiator, the first top bolt. What is kind of long, so we can install the mount right there. And yeah, we're gonna unbox the oil catch can now and see what actually comes in the package. First, we have to switch on the light. That's much better. Okay, let's unbox the oil catch can. Okay, it comes with a really decent size hose, so you can actually locate it at a lot of different locations. Okay, so then it comes with foam. So that's actually the oil catch can. So that's what it looks like. So basically you have your inlet, your outlet, and yeah, you basically take off your hose, what is going into the engine, and just install it in between. And there's like a filter in there, or not a filter, it's kind of the way it's set up. It's gonna separate the gases. Yeah, so you have this. So it comes in there, and basically all your oil is dripping into here, and the air is flowing through. That's basically what it is. So it's pretty simple and easy. Yeah, you can actually change that ring if you want. And yeah, down at the bottom right there you have a drain plug. If you reinstall it that way, so you can just unscrew it, empty it, because you have to empty it sometimes, because yeah, oil is gonna catch in there. That's why it's called oil catch can, obviously. And yeah, you have to empty it time to time. But you can also use the plug for that, but most of the time it's just easier to unscrew it and do it that way. Or you can install a valve down there with like a hose going somewhere. Alright, so the can. So then we got the bracket to mount the can. Yeah, can bracket mount. Hardware. More hardware. Yeah, actually hoses to clamp on, like fittings and all kind of little stuff. Some clamps. Yeah, that's basically this. And here, oh yeah, here you can see how it works. Basically, yeah, that's about it. Like air is going in, going down, swirling around, basically separating, and the clean air is supposed to come out. And all the oil is just yeah, catched in there. The PCV system. Yeah, so it goes out there, basically goes straight into here, and you just clamp it in between. Pretty simple and easy. So don't need that. Alright, oh, and it comes with a fancy sticker. Put it on a white Tacoma, you don't even notice. Alright, So let me show you the bolt we're using. Oh shit. So we're gonna use this bolt here to hang the catch can right in here. That's where it's gonna go. So we go ahead and install it, and probably take a short video of that too. Alright, so we located the hose. It's actually that hose down here. I hope you can see it. It's going in right there. So right there where the light shines at, and it's going back there to the breather valve, PCV valve. Okay, so we're gonna completely take that hose out and install actually the other hose. So here's where we installed already the mount, the bracket. It's already installed here. Okay, so first thing what we do, we're gonna take off this little shitty clamps. That is actually pretty simple because you just have to press them together and what the fuck? Kenny, it's not funny, man. Okay. Yeah, so that's what the actual hose looks like. It's not really oily in there, but yeah, it's more about the fumes and the stuff. So, gonna get rid of that. Okay, so that's the new hose. We put the clamps on there. Actually already shoved it up here. So that's already on there. So we're gonna get this part on the PCV valve down there. And then we get the clamps together, and then that is basically our breather hose in this moment. Till we cut away the hose we don't need and hook it up to the catch can. Okay, so we installed the hose. It's basically up here. This one. And down there, wait, let me get some light in there. There. Yeah, there we see the clamp. That's where the hose goes to. And here also, it's long enough to fit here to the clamp. So you have to remove two of the top screws of the oil catch can to mount it here. Yeah, you're gonna mount it, then you see how long this line has to be. And then install it on the oil catch can. That's basically it. So we got a mount here. I don't know if you can see it. Yeah, you can see it right here. Okay. So we got the oil catch can. It's gonna mount in just like this. So what we do first is we have to install the fittings. Here are O-rings on there. So we're gonna screw them in and secure them. Okay, just like that. This is installed, and now you're gonna hang it here. Oh, by the way, this is a dipstick. I would recommend if you drive a lot, like go once a week and check the level. And if it's full, empty it. Otherwise, you have a big problem. Okay, that's enough. The other one.
Yeah.
And then we have to see where we have to cut the hose.
The hose length, yeah.
Yeah, because maybe we have to get it back out. Okay, just let it hang like this. So first we have to see how much clearance do we want to have here. Where we're gonna secure it. I would say we go behind this bar because it's kind of sharp over here. So we go behind that. Coming in right there. Yeah, give me that right quick.
That's a special hose cutter.
Special hose cutter. Okay, so we cut that off right there. We're gonna route it right behind this brace here. Alright. So what we basically do, we're gonna secure it down here to that hose and to the bracket, just like that. And it's coming in just like that. So we're gonna cut it right here. So we have still a little bit play in there. Alright, so this is going in. Wait, where's the inlet? Inlet is here. So that's actually the hose going up here. So that's gonna be the outlet hose. Oh, give me that clamp.
Oh no, the clamp is coming later. The clamp is separated.
Okay. But the clamp doesn't come with the kit, right?
That's an upgraded feature. It's like I wanted the blue clamp instead of a warm gear clamp.
Okay. So that's sitting here right there, like this. And this hose, we're going the same way, going behind that. Secure it all together. So you also got it behind there, like running just on top of the other. Kenny, what are you doing? Okay, so we got this hose on here. And normally take some zip ties and secure it here to the gray harness and to that metal clamp, so it's nowhere even possible to wrap on. Alright, okay, before you tie it down, make sure everything is good.
Do we want to tighten the catch can first, or?
Oh yeah, shit. Give me that.
No, it's that one.
Okay, now we tighten the catch can first. Huh.
Yeah, they're painted, I guess. They're stainless bolts, but they are painted.
Okay. So,
Or in other ways, they sometimes are pain in the ass.
yeah, it's not that nice. Okay. That's secured. Okay, now we can tighten the zip tie.
You want to cut it?
Yeah. No, we leave it like that.
Is the axis going in the engine bay?
No. Hose is secured. Now we install a clamp. Yeah, like normally it comes with that normal clamps. That's a special clamp. So you're gonna snap that in right here. Turn it around. Like that. And tighten it down. That's about it. Alright, so make sure everything is good. Got enough play in here. Okay, start up the car. Yeah, start up the car, make sure everything is alright. Okay, now we take a quick look how it looks on start. Okay, so here we got the bracket sitting right there, catch can right here with the clamp, hose is running down there, up there, and back there to the valve, and we secure it here with 2 zip ties. Make sure to cut it as close as possible. Alright, so that's it about the catch can. Alright buddies, so that's it for the video for today. We installed the oil catch can, going for a test drive now, and yeah, that's pretty much it. If you want to subscribe to the channel, that would be nice.
Thumbs up.
Yeah, he's already a subscriber, and well, we're gonna see us next time.
Bye.